Hi, today I want to introduce the university admission agent, and it will be a voice agent. It will be taking the information for the appointment and booking an appointment. So let's see it in action, and then I'll be explaining the workflow. Firstly, I will be executing the workflow. I am over here, and I am calling the agent.
Hi there, I am Eric. How may I help you today to take admission in the university?
Hi, Eric. I want to book an appointment.
Of course, I'd be happy to help you with that. Could you please provide me with the details for the appointment? I'll need the purpose of the appointment, your preferred date and time, whether it's AM or PM, your contact number, email, and your name.
Yeah, sure. My name is Jawad, and my email address is jawwad.nissar@gmail.com. And I want to book for 11th of April 2025 at 6 p.m. And my contact details are 97435 321. Anything else?
Thank you, Jawad. Could you please let me know the purpose of the appointment? This will help in scheduling it accordingly.
Yes, I want to take the information of the disciplines.
Great. Thank you for providing the information. Please hold for a couple of minutes while I book your appointment. Your appointment has been successfully booked for April 11, 2025 at 6 p.m. to discuss the information of the disciplines. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
No, thank you. Bye. Okay, so here it is, the overall thing. This is an agent, a university receptionist or admission agent, you can say. What simply it's doing is that it is the agent is starting from the a very simple webhook. So what is this webhook? This is basically the URL that is being used by this university receptionist agent, and I have configured few things in this agent, in this voice agent. So what are those things? I'll be explaining that in a moment as soon as it opens the screens. Okay, so I have configured the voice in English, and the voice agent is of the Eric, and this is the welcoming sentence. Hi, you have listened that it says, "Hi there, I'm Eric. How may I help you today to take an admission in the university?" Very simple thing. And then the system prompt is there. Overview I have given. The tool I'll be using in this voice agent is an appointment plan tool. Okay, and I have given few instructions that you should be very polite, and you should give a hold call to the student when all the details are delivered, and when everything is done you should greet in a soft and professional order. And here I have configured a couple of things. Two tools I have configured. One is by default the end call tool, and the other one is the appointment plan tool. What this tool is doing, it is simply filling the things by asking the question, like the agent asked about the shift, and then it asked about the event as well, date it want to book for, the time, and the contact number, the email, and the name. So it can be unlimited. Anything you want to ask, you can put it over here. Whatever is being filled in these is being asked in these body parameter, the agent is automatically asking these questions from the caller. Okay, and then what's happening over here, in the agent, as soon as the agent receives the call, it fills the data and sends to this URL. So you can see that I have given these over the call, and the agent is able to grab these details, like on 11th April at 6 p.m., and the contact details are here, the email is this one, and the name is this one. And then afterwards I am mapping the data, whatever I have took. I am mapping the data in this way that every data should be in a proper organized manner. So you can see that a name, I given the name Jawad, and email, and the event information of the disciplines. up till the end. And then the next node, a simple AI agent node is over here, and I'm using ChatGPT 4 model. And what he is doing, he is getting the details, providing the details to child agent. The child agent is again, in my case, a simple calendar agent, and the calendar agent, the task of calendar agent is to take the information and and book an appointment. So this is the information that the calendar agent is doing, is capturing, and then calendar agent is again in a separate flow. Let me go over there and little bit explain the calendar agent as well. This is the calendar agent. So it is being called by the parent workflow. So calendar agent, a very simple, again, ChatGPT is configured with it, and the Google Create event is appended to it. So it takes the different information and books the appointment accordingly, and then sends back the response to the parent agent. So this is the parent agent, I mean the university admin agent. And then finally, as soon as the appointment is being done, so it sends the email as well as the calendar. The event is shown on the calendar. So, and then this is the final thing, respond to the webhook. So at the end, that voice agent says that I have booked the appointment successfully for you. And now if here we come, so this is the event information of the discipline at 6 to 7 p.m. And then I can go to my email, and I can see that yes, this is the detail that I've given. Event name is information of the discipline. Date is Friday 11 2025. Time is 6 to 7 p.m. Shift is p.m. And the calendar link was over here. And from there, I can a little bit read at the end. So this is all about this voice agents. So we can configure it to unlimited. Like we can add many questions to ask by the voice agents, and then it can be feeding into the Anytime agents. So hope you like it. Thanks. Bye.